Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been stuck manually typing welcome emails for all participants in your course, you know it is a huge time sink. To automate those workflows, we come across a fantastic platform called n8n. Now, if you haven't heard of n8n yet, think of it as an ultimate backstage manager. It's an incredible workflow automation tool that lets you connect your favorite apps, sync data, and handle repetitive tasks entirely on autopilot without needing to write a single line of complex code. For any course creator, community builder, or organizer, this is a massive game changer. It frees up your endless loop of manual admin work, allowing you to be much more efficient with your time, your management, and your student communication. Today, I'm going to show you a simple automation where an applicant automatically receives a welcome email after submitting the program form. Let's start by looking at our Google form. Here we'll capture details such as name, email ID, program chosen, which batch, and the course type. And all these responses are stored in a Google Sheet like this one. So we'll integrate this Google Sheet with the n8n and create our automation which will generate emails to the person who have submitted this Google form. After creating our Google Forms and Google Sheet and linking both them, we have to copy the links of both the form and the sheet. So first I'll copy the link of the sheet by going into share and clicking on copy link. And we have to store it somewhere like in Notepad for our further use. Same I'll do for Google Form also. After saving our links for both the forms and the sheets, now we have to create our workflow. First, we'll add a random data to this program application form. I will type in the name as AppHacks HQ. At the email, I will type in the email. Chosen, I'll select data science and batch as second batch, and I'll select online only recorded classes, and I'll submit this form. After this, we'll go to our Google Sheet and you can see the form has submitted and the response is stored in this Google Sheet. Now, what we'll do is we'll link this Google Sheet to our n8n and then we'll start our automation process. After we successfully copied our Google Sheet and Google Form links and stored it in Notepad, you have to create an n8n account using your Gmail. So after creating this account, you'll get a 14 days trial of this n8n. After that, you have to take the paid subscription. After login, you'll get an interface like this. Here you can see your workflows, your execution, failed execution, what is the failure rate, and the average time. So we have to create a new workflow by clicking on create workflow. And here we'll select add first step. And here we'll click on app event. And here we'll type in Google Sheets. Here in the triggers, we'll select on row added. After this, you'll get to see options like poll time, document, sheet, trigger on, like that. So first is this poll time. Here we are giving the uh, time limit for this automation to happen. Means we can set it to every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month, etc. You can add poll time or you can delete the poll times. For the document, you have to select by URL, and here you have to paste the URL that you have copied from the Google Sheet. So I'll just copy and paste it here. And here in sheet, we'll keep it as from list only. And when we select this drop down, you'll get to see the sheets that are stored in your workbook. So here I'll select the form response one sheet. And on the left side, you'll get to see a button called fetch test event. Now, basically, if you click this button, it will temporarily run the trigger and show you the output on the right side. So if I just click here, it will show the output on the right side. The next step is to add an action where this automation should send an email to the person who has given the form. For that, we'll click here the plus icon and we'll select action in an app and we'll type in Gmail and we'll select the Gmail. Here we'll select send a message, and now here for two, what you can simply do is you can just drag this email one. Left side you can see the JSON code. Here you can just drag this email ID and drop in the to section. And for the subject, we'll type in welcome, the name, welcome, the name to uh, their program chosen. Here you can, in the message section, you can type the body of the mail. So now I have wrote my body in the message and your automation is done. Now we have to execute this workflow. You can now simply click on execute workflow, and what it will do is it will just do the automation. After completing, you can just see the green ticks over here and you'll get a message down, and you can just check the inbox, you'll get a mail. As you can see, we got an email like it's saying you have been enrolled for the data science program, and the details of this program is here written here. And that is how you can completely automate your student onboarding workflow. But honestly, guys, sending a personalized email is just scratching the surface of what n8n can do. Once you master this foundation, you can start building incredibly complex locked automation formations. Instead of just passing details from sheet to an email, you can integrate advanced agentic AI right into the middle of the flow. Imagine an AI agent that takes the student's background, searches the web dynamically for personalized pre-request materials based on their chosen course, analyzes their specific profile, and then drafts a highly customized learning path tailored just for them. The possibilities are absolutely endless when you combine automation with smart AI agents. If you want to see me how to build those advanced AI driven workflows next, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an automation breakdown. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.